Mahatma Gandhi's and Lal Bahadur Shastri's birthday. So about on this auspicious day, I would like to call Divya Tanushree Pradhan of 9th class to tell something about on this auspicious day. Good morning to all respected principal sir, teachers, elder brothers, sisters and all my dear friends. Today I am going to speak something about Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti. My name is Divya Tanushree. Today is 2nd October. We are here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti. I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti. This day is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was a great leader of India. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughalsarai in Uttar Pradesh. He is also known as Bapu and Father of Nation. His favorite song Raghupati Raghav Rajaram makes us feel his divine power. He played a key role in freedom of India from British rule. Gandhi Jayanti reminds us to follow his path of truth, non-violence, of true respect all people. Thank you.
Shastri Jayanti. First I am speaking about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born in October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His mother name is Putuli Bai and father name is Baba Gandhi. His wife name is Kasturi Bai. In 1893, he went to South Africa. He started Bharat Chhor Andolon. In 1942, he played a key role in the freedom of India from British rule. He died on 30 January 1948. Soon at Mathura, Jhansi. Shastri Jayanti. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born in 1904 in October 2, Mughalsarai, Uttar Pradesh. Shastri was known for his humility, integrity, and addition to the negative. His famous slogan is Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Highlighted is the importance of soldiers and farmers. Thank you.
1988 में पढ़ाई लिखाई करने के लिए इंग्लैंड चले गए थे। उसके बाद वो फिर भारत वापस आ गए पढ़ाई लिखाई खत्म करने के बाद 1889 तो वो दक्षिण अफ्रीका गए और कुछ यहाँ पर कुछ हो रहा था वाइट एंड ब्लैक अलग अलग करके तो वो जाकर वापस आ गए 1914 में। तब उन्होंने अपने देश को स्वाधीन करने के लिए विभिन्न आंदोलन किया और लोगों को एकजुट कर विभिन्न आंदोलन किया और हमारे देश को 1947 अगस्त 15 में स्वाधीन कराया।
Good morning to all respected principals, respected all teachers, mentormen, and my elder brothers and sisters, and my dear friends. Today we gather here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti. Both of these remarkable individuals were born on October 2 and have left an indelible mark on our nation's history. Mahatma Gandhi, known as the father of nation, was a beacon of peace and non-violence, born in 1869 in Porbandar in Gujarat. Gandhi's philosophy of ahimsa and satyagraha became the cornerstone of India's struggle for independence. Mahatma Gandhi died on 1948, 13 January, shot by Nathuram Godse. Then Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri is born in 1904 in Mughalsarai, Uttar Pradesh. He is second Prime Minister of India. He is known for his integrity, dedication to the nation. His famous slogan is Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, highlighted the importance of soldiers and farmers. Thank you.
सम्मानीय मुख्य अतिथि, प्रिय शिक्षकों और मेरे भाई बहन और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आज हम सभी यहाँ गांधी जयंती मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। इस अवसर पर हमें महात्मा गांधी के जीवन और उनके विचार के याद करना चाहिए। मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 के गुजरात के परबंदर गांव में हुआ था। उनके पिता का नाम काबा गांधी और उनके माता का नाम पुतलीबाई था। महात्मा गांधी का विवाह मात्र 13 वर्ष के आयु में कस्तूरबा गांधी के साथ हुआ था और उन्होंने लंदन से कबालत के पढ़ाई पूरी की थी। गांधी जी हमेशा अहिंसा के रास्ते पर चलते थे। वही कारण कि उन्होंने 1930 में दांडी यात्रा करने के नमक सत्याग्रह किया था। भारत की जनता उन्हें प्यार से बापू कहकर बुलाते थे और बापू ने हमेशा साधारण जीवन जीने के संदेश दिया था। महात्मा गांधी केवल एक नेता नहीं थे, बल्कि हमें सत्य और अहिंसा के मार्ग पर चलने की प्रेरणा दिया था। उन्होंने विचार ने हम यह सिखाया कि हम अपने अधिकार के लिए अहिंसा करके संघर्ष करना सीखेंगे। इसलिए आज हमें उनके विचार के याद करने और अपने जीवन में लगा करने के लिए आवश्यकता है। उनके संदेश के उनके आदर्श के अपनाते हुए हम अपने देश और समाज के लिए एक सकारात्मक परिवर्तन आ सकते हैं। मेरी वक्तव्य शेष करने से पहले मैं एक शायरी कहना चाहती हूँ। मुस्कुराता होता गया हूँ, मुस्कुराता होता गया हूँ, कलम अपने ही छोड़ गया हूँ। एक नया भारत तुम ही लिख लेना, एक नया भारत तुम ही लिख लेना, इतनी शाही छोड़ गया हूँ। धन्यवाद।
I am say something about Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi's real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He became Mahatma Karamchand Gandhi. He became a Mahatma by birth of his good work. People lovingly called him Bapuji of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born in Porbandar in Gujarat on October 2, 1869. His father Kaba Gandhi was the Devan of Kathiawar in Rajkot. His mother Puttalibai was a pious lady. In her childhood, he was he had a school education in his native place. He had high regard for her teacher. Although he was not a brilliant student, he got scholarship in lower class for his good performance. Then he went to South Africa as a legal advisor to a business firm. Then he became popular with the Indian living there. He fought for their right and served a lot. He came back to India in 1914. He started the freedom movement in India. The great leader of India joined him. At last, India got freedom in 14 August 1947. A short time after the war, shot dead in 30 January 1948. Thank you.
सम्मान्य प्रधान शिक्षक महोदय एवं मोर पूज्य गुरुजी गुरुमा बंधु एवं मोर बड़ भाई और भौणी एवं मोर सहपाठीगण मत आज गांधी जयंती विषय किसी कहवर सुजोग मिलू मुझे निजक धन्यवाद करुच्ची। महात्मा गांधी 1869 मसीहा अक्टोबर मास 2 तारिख गुजराटर पोरबंदर ठारे जन्मग्रहण करथिले। तांकर पूरा नाम थिला मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी। तांकरी पाखरे अनेक भल गुण थिबारु तांको महात्मा बोली डाकिले। भल गुण मध्य अहिंसा गोटे प्रधान गुण अर्थात मनरे हो कथारे हो कि कार्य क्या कष्ट न देवा अहिंसा गुण आचरण कर से आम भारत को ब्रिटिश मानक अंतरु स्वाधीन करने को समर्थ हो पारिथिले। जहाँ फल इंग्रेज माने बाध्य हो 1947 मसीहा अगस्ट 15 तारिख दिन आमको आम देश छाड़ी निजर बाट देखिले। अध्यक्ष महोदय शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री एवं मोर छोट बड़ भाई और भौणी मैंने आजिकार गांधी जयंती और शास्त्री जयंती में मत किसी कहवार सुजोग मिलता मुझे निजक धन्यवाद करुच्छे। आज आम जानू कि अक्टोबर 2 तारिख महात्मा गांधी अक्टोबर 2 तारिख 1869 मसीहा पोरबंदर
ଗୁଜରାଟରେ ଜନ୍ମଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥିଲେ। ଲାଲ ବାହାଦୁର ଶାସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଯିଏକି 1904 ମସିହା ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 2 ଉତ୍ତରପ୍ରଦେଶରେ ଜନ୍ମଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥିଲେ। ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ତାଙ୍କର 2ଟି ଭାଇ ଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ଗୋଟିଏ ଭଉଣୀ ଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କ ମାତାର ନାମ ଥିଲା ପୁତୁଲିବାଇ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କ ପିତାର ନାମ ଥିଲା ମୋହନଦାସ ଉତ୍ତମଚାନ୍ଦ ଗାନ୍ଧୀ। ସେ ବାରିଷ୍ଟର ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ ଦେଶ ଯାଇଥିଲେ 1888 ମସିହାରେ ଏବଂ 1993 ମସିହା ସାଉଥ ଆଫ୍ରିକା ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ଭାରତକୁ 1914 ମସିହାରେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଦେବାକୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ।
ମୋର ଛୋଟ ବଡ଼ ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀମାନେ ଆଜିକାର ଏହି ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଜୟନ୍ତୀ ବିଷୟରେ କହିବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ମିଳିଥିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ନିଜକୁ ଧନ୍ୟମନେ କରୁଅଛି। କିଛି ଭୁଲ ଥିଲେ ତୃପ୍ତି ମାର୍ଜନ କରିବେ। ଆଜି ହେଉଛି ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 2 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ।
All teachers and my younger brothers and my sisters and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak something about Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was born in 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. From an average student in his childhood, Gandhi rose in to grade high school in his younger and oldest. Mahatma Gandhi's father name is Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi and mother's name is Purtubai Gandhi. He got to England to study barrister in 1888. The father of the nation, the light of India, the labor of the student, subject contents conquered the heart of millions fair and wide of the world. Then he went to South Africa as a lawyer, advocate to the business firm. They have become people who in the Indians they lived there. He came back India in 1950. He started the freedom movement of the India, the great leader of join. Mahatma Gandhi was dead in 30th January 1948.
ଏଠାରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଥିବା ମୋର ଛୋଟ ବଡ଼ ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀମାନେ ଏବଂ ମୋର ସହପାଠୀ ଓ ସହପାଠିନୀଗଣ, ଆଜିକାର ଏହି ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଏବଂ ଶାସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଜୟନ୍ତୀରେ ମୋତେ କିଛି କହିବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ମିଳିଥିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ନିଜକୁ ଧନ୍ୟମନେ କରୁଅଛି। ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀଙ୍କ ଜନ୍ମ ହୋଇଥିଲା 1869 ମସିହା ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 2 ତାରିଖରେ ତାଙ୍କ ଜନ୍ମ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀଙ୍କ ପିତାଙ୍କ ନାମ ଥିଲା କରମଚାନ୍ଦ ଉତ୍ତମଚାନ୍ଦ ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କ ମାତାଙ୍କ ନାମ ଥିଲା ପୁତୁଲିବାଇ ଥିଲା। ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟିଏ ଝିଅ ଏବଂ 3ଟି ପୁତ୍ର ଥିଲେ। ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଥିଲେ କନିଷ୍ଠ ବା ବଡ଼ ପୁତ୍ର। ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀଙ୍କ ବାଲ୍ୟ ଜୀବନର ଶିକ୍ଷା ରାଜକୋଟର ଏକ ପ୍ରାଥମିକ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ ସମାପ୍ତ ହୋଇଥିଲା। 1888 ମସିହାରେ ବାରିଷ୍ଟର ପଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ ଯାତ୍ରା କରିଥିଲେ। ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ 13 ବର୍ଷରେ କସ୍ତୁରୀବାଇଙ୍କ ସହିତ ବିବାହ କରିଥିଲେ। 1893 ମସିହାରେ ଗାନ୍ଧୀଜୀଙ୍କୁ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ଆଫ୍ରିକା ଯିବାକୁ ସୁଯୋଗ ମିଳିଥିଲା। ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଦେଶପ୍ରିୟ ଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କ ଭାରତକୁ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ 1947 ମସିହା ଅଗଷ୍ଟ 15 ତାରିଖରେ ସଫଳ ହୋଇଥିଲେ। 1948 ମସିହା ଜାନୁଆରୀ 30 ତାରିଖରେ ଗୁଳି ବାଜି ତାଙ୍କର ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।